Okay, recorded na. Now, let's continue. Okay, so this is my page 1.html. So you just put a label that this is a page 1 by doing the heading 1. You just put I am page 1. Okay, and then end your H1. And you place it to center, by the way, align, center. Okay. Now next, let's put some background color para mahibaw sad. Let's say red ang red color dali. Okay. Okay, let's try to save this one and let's try to okay, so mao ni mong dagway sa imong page 1. Now next, let's try to put some link here. Phref equals page2.html. Okay? And then I will do go to page 2 and then end tag of your A. Now, save. So if I refresh this one, reload, you will see go to page 2. Now, right now, if I click this one, it will just bring you to the blank or the file is not found or your file couldn't be accessed because it's actually not existing. So, ang imo na you create your page 2 file. So, let's try to create another one. Okay, I'll just make a copy of this one here and just name this one as page 2 there. And then from page 2, you can go back to page 1 by doing ahref page1.html and then you please go to page 1. And then let's try to set the language into HTML para madali. Then we are going to save this one. You have to make sure that you are in the same folder. Okay? And you name this one as page 2. Okay? So if we go back here, i-refresh na nato. If I click go to page 2, oh, naka sa page 2. Yeah, kana page 1 sa kabalik. Okay. Let's try to change this is your page 1, this is your page 2. Change itong background color into blue. Okay? So that maka-identify kita sa kuan. Okay, for a while for a while.
Excuse me, sir. Bago ni, sir? Or ano yung may pagsuog na?
Ang kato man siguro lang pages.
Sir, mute ka, sir.
Sir, mute sir.
Necessaryo,
Pages.
kinsa ganito yung nangutana, boys?
Ako, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Bago ba na,
you.
sir?
No, I am just reviewing it on how to create your exercise number 1.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Okay. So, this is an example of your Exer 1, but in your Exer 1, you have 3 pages. So, sa akong example, 2 pages. But in your Exer 1, every page will have 2 links. Okay? So, kung for example, in here, earlier, ako mong ipakita sa kang imuha kang rabong. There. So, in your exercise number 1, there should be 2 page. There should be 2 links in here. Okay? Just like rabong exercise. So, from here, okay, nanaka sa page 2. So, kani vice versa ni siya. Okay? Okay. So, dara inyo exercise number 1. Kani, kang rabong. Itong kwado, no? Mao na ni siya. Ana, page 2. Nya, ana, page 1, page 3. Sa page 1, page 2, page 3. Sa page 2, page 1, page 3. Ang imuhang link. Sa page 3, ang imuhang link, page 1, page 2. Okay? I hope I am clear. Okay, I am done with Exer 1. Now, let's go to Exer 2. Okay, so karira punta ang rabong. Now, sa Exer 2, you're going to display 5 picture and those pictures should have a link. No? So, i-click nimo ana, it will have a bigger picture and then a little bit of description of what picture it is. And you are going to create a link in here that will just go back to your main page, which is this one. Okay? Okay. Now, I will do two pictures, no? Again. Okay, let's start. So, let's create another image. Let me just do the copy and paste lang ko ha. So, let's name it this one as main. Okay. And then, let's have a picture. Okay. For example, let's say IMG SRC equals, I'll just name it this one as pic1.jpg. Okay. And then let's have another here, pic2.jpg. Okay, let's save. Then let's create another folder. Let's say this is excerpt2 sample. Okay. And let's name this one as main. Okay, nakalimot na sa kuan. So we can actually manually type the .html. Save. Okay. So if we run this one, definitely, okay, let's try to have some title in here. That's one. My favorite pictures. Example lang. Okay, let's make it as align center there. And also this one, it should be sa center. And that with center also. Okay. Save. Let's try to view them. Okay, now you cannot see any picture. Why? Because pic1.jpg and pic2.jpg is actually not an existing image file, right? Okay. So what we are going to do, sir, dili mo work lagi ako ang pages. Mabita to akong gikuan gani ha kahayag.
Akong gibuhat ko.
Giparehas mo?
Ay, oh.
Sige, I will stop sa half for a while and then kahayag I want you to share your screen. Okay?
Sige, sir.
Kung mo na bandal. What are you typing? Sige, kahayag, can you please napislit ka. Share your screen so that I can guide you before we proceed to exercise number 2. Go, kahayag, go. Kahayag. Kahayag. Are you still there, kahayag? Hello? Hello, can you hear me, boys? Hello?
ba, sir?
Kahayag. Are you still there, kahayag?
Sabi, sir, lag ko, sir.
Nilag ka, sige. Sige dong, kahayag. Asa naman to? Okay. Make it big, kahayag, so that I can see clearly. Okay, that's it. So that's your page 1. I-save na. Save. Sige, try to run ka, no? Make sure nga na kay page 2. Sige, click go to page 2. Asa may mong page 2.html? Let me see your files, B. Panak ka dong. Uy, di ba maklaro ang kuan file name? Tanawa lang palihog if it is page2.html. Is that page2 kahayag?
Yes, sir. Pero why HTML?
No, you should. Di, HTML man to. Sige, kahayag. Kahayag. Go back to your Notepad++. Sige, save as ko na. Save as. Sige, save as. Atong tarungon, save as. File, save as. Save as. Page1.html. HTML na, nakaset ang language na. No. Don't do that, no. Cancel. I-set ang language into HTML. Nakaset na. I think I know the one. The way you write your page 2 ba, it should not have kuan. It should not have space. Sige, pang save as na, save as sige. I-save as page 1 without space. Sige, save. Without space, ha? Also your page 2, i-save as mong page 2. Save as without space. Without space. Sige, i-try ko nung view ang page 1 mo. Ayun na. I-close na. Ayun. That's not ato balik sa Notepad++ mo. Sige, i-view na. Is that your page 1? Okay, click go to page 2. Di ba? Okay na? Balik ko sa imong Notepad++ kahayag. What is that? Is that the page 2 or page 1? No, kahayag. I'm asking you.
Page 2 to, sir?
Look at balik ko sa Notepad. Look at your kuan. Look at your title, page 1 Japon. It changed na into page 2. Kana, I am page 2. I-change ang usa, go to page 1. No. Okay, kana, go to page 1, yeah. Also, the hyperreference. The ahref, kana. You're going to page 1 man, di ba? Okay, that's it. Sige. Click na. Di ba? Problem solved. Okay. Imo ra magikopya di maura imo ra ang imo gilisan ang file name ra, you should also change the content. Okay? So let's proceed to our next. Okay. So right now I have pic1 and pic2.jpg. So wala po ko'y pic1 and pic2.jpg. So let me just download some pictures. Saan na ako i-download? Sige. 2 characters.
Sir, ano sa name ato, sir? Sa itong mga picture.
Okay na, that's okay. For example, kani.
Ano yun, sir, pa-name?
Ang name?
Yes, sir.
Any name will do. For example, let's say...
Sir, ba katong name dyan, sir? May bawa na X, sir, ba sa ito?
Saan sa mandong?
Katong mga picture, sir. Para pag ganiya, sir.
Okay, for a while, ha? So let me just go to... asa to akong folder?
Present ka, sir.
Ay, wala pa rin ko nag-present eh, sorry. Sige, sorry. Let me present it again. Present now. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay. Kalimot ka da. Okay, now look. So, nagbutang ko diri pic1.jpg o pic2.jpg, di ba? Now, if I'm going to run this one again, you will see nga walay picture nga mo display because pic1.jpg and pic2.jpg is not existing. So, also, that's also your kuan. Mo na inyuhang bali common mistakes na ninyo. Okay? Walay picture. So, let me go to my files, katong drive D. Asa gani ito guys? For a while Save as na ko. So, naa sa review and then excerpt to sample. Sige. So, let's go to review here. There you go. So, wala pa ko yung mga picture. So, mag-download ko picture guys. So, ako i-download mga Dota 2 characters na lang. Kinsa man yung character. Kanilang si Monkey King. Ako ikon. Save image as. Ayan na.
Freya, sir, Freya.
Oh,
Freya.
pamina sa. Ayan na. Nade Priya sa Dota 2. Wala man.
Si Skeleton King, sir. Skeleton King.
So I'll go to review. I have to save it here. Now, I will just name in this one as pic1. Okay? Para JPG siya. Oh, Skeleton King daw, dara. Oh.
Pudge lang, sir, Pudge.
Ayan na. Duha lang kabuok. Basta later. So, kani ako nga lang nag-pic2. Even though it's Skeleton King, ako lang nga nag-pic2. Ano man? Kay mao may naa sa ako ang code, di ba? Pic1 ug pic2. So, kung ako na i-refresh, kani ako gibuhat karon, kani, there you go. You can see now Monkey King and also Skeleton King. Okay. Now, si Skeleton King is a little bit big. So, para pareha sila og size, I can use width is equals to let's say 200 and height is also 300 lang. Okay? I-same lang nako sila. Okay. There you go. Okay? So next, I'm going to create a link there. ehref equals kinsa ni si monkey mo nino? I'll just do monkey.html. Okay? And then end na ko diri ang A. Okay. In here, I will do ehref equals skeleton.html. Sige, skeleton underscore king.html. Now, if you notice, boys, I put underscore. Kani, monkey king mo siya, di ba? Okay. I put underscore because I don't want to have spaces. Actually, kanang space, boys, when it comes to file name go, that's a big problem even if it is small ko usara ka character. Tanawa si kahaya ganiha. Ako kayang problema just because of the space. Okay? Okay. So, now the problem right now is, although I already sorry, what happened here? Sorry, okay, and end my with A. Now the problem here is, although they already have the links, but if I click them, again, your file couldn't be accessed. Why? Because monkey underscore king.html and skeleton underscore .html is not yet existing. So I'm going to create those. So I'll make a copy of this one, paste, and then I'll put here Monkey King page sample. And in here, I will do, okay, the Monkey King. Example niya. Okay, so Parang i-delete, kaya pa nilabot si kuan, and I'll make it big. So, I'll make it 400 by 500, something like that. Okay? And then, I will not put any more anchor tag. Okay, nakasentro ng Japon. Okay, save. So, ang pangalan mo diri is what? Ang kagani boys, monkey underscore king. So, I forgot to set the language, so I put HTML. Boys, you cannot manually input the .html if you already set the language. You can only input manually if you forgot to set the language. Okay? I hope I am clear. Okay, save. So right now, let's go to the main, reload. I-click na nimo, you have there the Monkey King na bigger picture. Ang kulangan na lang nato ani ron boys is the what? Iyahang, what do you call this one? Unsa kulangan nato ani gani? Kalimot ko. Boys, are you still listening?
Yes, sir.
Kay mura man kung wala mo na mina kay hindi mo mamina boys. Sayang lang yun akong effort nga akong ginani balik-balik kani ha. So please you have to listen. Okay. Next is ang iyahang description. So I will just look for the description of Monkey King. Diri no? So let's say I'll go here. Let's say Monkey King. Dota 2 kay daghan big Monkey King. Okay? Kanina lang, San Wukong, ako ikonte. Okay, dire San Wukong is blah blah blah. Dihara kutob. Diha, ano lang, for example. Okay. So, I'll put P, align, center, and then I'll put P there. And then, i-paste na ako. And then, I'll put some line break. Eh? Mutangalan ako line break, boys. Diha. Okay. And also here. Okay. So, nanay line break. Save. So, reload na to. There you go. San Wukong la 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 la. Okay? Okay. So, ang sunod na is, ang ato ang, what do you call this one? How to make it back to the main page. So, let's go here. Let's put some code. ahref equals main.html. And you just put go back to main. You're done. Reload. Go back to main. Go back to main. Okay? Akong tiwason guys. So next is I'll create for Skeleton King. So I'll just make a copy of this one here. Yeah, Skeleton King na sad ni. Okay, so the Skeleton King. Okay, now the good thing here is I will not remove this one anymore because maumani siya ang sa main. And here, that should be the pick 2. Save. And let's name this one as skeleton underscore king.html because I forgot to set the language. Oh, man na ta. Ang kuha nga na lang kani kay San Wukong man ni, di ba? So let's go to asa man to? Kani, sorry dara. Okay. Butang ta Skeleton King. Dali ra kay himuon boys, di ba? Rick King o Skeleton King parehara no? Okay. Ato lang ni asa kutob. Kana. Taas, balag taas. Okay. And then, you place it here. And you put some line break. So, butangan tag line break lang diha sa mga dito butang line break. Line break. Then copy that line break. Paste na nimo diha sa okay. There. 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 And also there. Okay, it's done. We're done. Save. Ano to? Monkey King. Go back to main. Skeleton King. Osarion. Okay. I'm done, guys. Questions so far?
Wala, sir.
Okay. Kaning recording, boys, I will ask, kasi advisor ninyo?
Miss Ruela.
I will ask Miss Ruela to share it to me and I will also share it to you. Okay? Para namin makita. Okay, let's go to exercise number 3 or the quiz. Okay.
Alas
For-
dos, nagutom, sir.
Hantod ta mo man. O na lang, excerpt 3 na lang o ang PT na lang kuwang. Okay. Do I need to review the excerpt 3? I think, dili na kinahanglan, no? Kabaw na mo itong marquee siguro.
Ibaw na, sir.
Then how
Ano
about
na,
the table? Ang table ay kuwangan. Okay, let's go to table. Okay. Last na lang ni katong table. So, I'll make a copy of this one. Okay. So, table. Or, okay, yan na. Or calendar. By the way, ang inyong quarterly assessment is all about table, ha? Watch out mo. Okay, so for example, let's do a table. Save sa nina ko ba sa ako lang ni pangalan og table.html. Okay. So magbuhat kog calendar gyapon. Okay, so let's say I have here a table. Okay, I will do the January calendar. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. Okay,
Sir,
so
uso ganang kuwang na ko.
nyara dong lisura na eh. Kanong wala pa mo nag-take note kinsa ni?
Soledad.
Ano ka nag-take note earlier? Ako na gisultian naman tika. Maputol na sa kuan eh. Sige lang, huwat na mo sa akong email maybe tonight. Check your email. Ako i-submit or i-email ako ninyo inyong mga kulangan. Okay?
Okay.
Kapag kita sige balik-balik tong ha. So, let's go for the So, we need 7 columns. Tatalo na sa tag space. 7 columns. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And we need 8 rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a first. Ato na siyang i-delete. Ano man? Because we are going to do the TD call span equals 7 because we are going to merge the 7 columns and place your H1 January. Okay. And end your H1 there and you put some align equals center. Okay. Now next is, let's go here. Ang Sunday, Monday, you just put Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Sorry, that should be Wednesday. And this is what? Thursday. And that is Friday. And that's Saturday. Okay, so next. Asa magsugod ang 1? Nasa Friday. Nasa second to the last. So, mao ni siya. Last, second. So, nadiri si 1, 2. O, sunod na lang na. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then 31 nya blanco na uban. Let's try to save. View. There you go. So unsa may kuwang na? Ang kuwang na is the border. So you put border. Let's make it 2. There you go. And let's make it align to center. Okay. Ibutangan na to og background color ang mga what you call this one. Ang New Year. So New Year here, let's put TDVG color equals, let's make it green. So meaning it's a holiday. There you go.
Excuse me, sir. Pwede dili lang i-shade.
Kasi dili i-save dong.
Dili lang coloran, sir, bang holiday.
Sa kuha niyo wala ra sa inyong PT. Pero if you put some color, that would be an additional points for you. Pero sa exam later, boys, kinahanglan na yung mga colors niya. Inig ka January 7. Okay? So for example, I want all the Sundays kaning 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. Gusto ko red ang iyang background color. Pwede. So here, I will just do a BG color. Red. So I'll just make a copy of this one. So I should go to the every first column here. Every first column. Kaya mao man na ang Sunday. Now, there you go. There. Then I want, ang kanang mga blanco, gusto ko, ang background color niya is black. Okay, so I will go here sa mga black, sa mga blank. So I'll make it black. Okay. I'm just showing you kung pwede sa ninyo ma-design na ninyo ang PT. So ato to sa mga blank, dara. Okay. 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 Okay, there you go. Reload. We're done. Questions? Guys, do you have questions? I am done. Sakto rin yun, alas 2.
No, sir.
Okay, kung sa pa napay question?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na? Okay, so I will stop the recording now. Then this recording, I will ask Miss Ruela to iyang i-share, and I will also share it to you para na mo reference, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sige. Okay, I will stop the recording now.
Ay, di man, sir. Kanang makita naman sa recording na mo ang sakuan.
Makita din ninyo?
Sa Google
Are you
Drive.
sure? Sure mo?
Sa Google Drive.
Sige, pangitaan lang ninyo ang recording, ha?
Kasuhayan na mo. Basta, marag... Ba't lang sa una, kasuhay mo ko ito.
Sige lang, mag-email lang sa kuno niyo para for sure.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
bye.